Hello everyone. So today we'll be learning something from beam tool, that is overlapping collinear beams. So usually what happens if the beam building is very bigger or something like that, and we will not know where the beams are overlapped. For that we use this tool, where first you guys need to understand one thing. Here it is showing that it is overlapping. So how do I know whether it is overlapping? Just use your right mouse button. You just drag down. When you try to delete, it's like it is showing two beams, correct? The same way, if you drag to the left, yeah, and you try to delete, it is showing in two beams. So that means there are two beams there. For that, what I need to do is just highlight the first one and just go to view, selected one, and delete it. Okay, so display the whole structure out and try checking the overlapping thing. So it's done. So the problem is solved. In the second case here, what happens is the first one is here, the smaller one. The other one is also a smaller one. You can use the same method in this case. Let me do it once. Yeah, I've done that. So next one is, yeah, the whole thing out. So let's check, one is smaller, one is bigger. Okay. So in this case, what we can do is, uh, let me just select this. Yeah, we can do the same method, I think. So we can follow the same method. We can come to this, do the same method, select the first one, or yeah, select the first one and delete it off. Yeah, I've deleted it. So this is solved. Now the last one is, yeah, this part. For that, what you guys can do is, it is the same way. See, sometimes if the building is too huge or something like that, just come to the node where everything is selected. See, these are the connected things, no? And you just come here, just do the same thing, view selected only. Now, whatever the deleting things that you guys want to do, like whatever the things you want to delete, just delete it off. Let me do it once. I've deleted it now. So this is how you do it. Right now, we are checking the overlapping. There's one more. Okay, so second one, the same way, I'll delete it off. So in this case, right now, if you check it out, if I'm using my right button, I'm getting one of them, correct? Same if I'm going to the bottom left and doing it. So I'm trying to delete it, one, no, correct? But if I'm going to select the whole thing and if I'm trying to delete, I'm going to get two beams. So here in this case, we know that there's one beam here, extra beam. You can just delete it off. See, this is how we do it. So this is how easily you can do it. Just check out the overlapping thing. There is no overlapping. And how did I get this number? Just come to the structure diagram, labels, beam the numbers, click it, and you'll get it. Okay, let me move it right now. This is how you do it. If you like the video, please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.